Hey, this is Chad from Northside Mitsubishi, and with me is this beautiful 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. This thing is absolutely fantastic looking. It's in great condition, just 122,000 kilometers. And I'm going to show you why here. Get my face out of the way. So first off, this thing just looks absolutely fantastic with the details. It has the front LED lights, two-tone wheels as well, rims rather. And it does have keyless entry as well. It's a 2017, but it is a sport, so it's got a lot going on. I'll just show you the inside here as well. So it's got a great sound system, among other things, and it also has your hands-free calling. You can pop inside here, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and it does have push to start as well, which is great. Really nice. You can see this thing going here, and it is a standard as well. So you gotta hit the clutch if you want to get this thing going. You have your touchscreen here, and you have your heated seats. Again, Android, Apple AutoPlay. It does have an electric parking brake as well. You're gonna have your backup camera there. You can see on the dash there, just 122,000 kilometers. It's a great sunroof up here. You can show you with the power settings right there. Just give you a look at the back seat here as well. You can see there's a little bit of damage there, but other than that, it's in perfect condition. Nice, big, roomy back seat of a hatch. It's a great place. And again, you can see the speaker system, so this thing will be sounding great, looking great, driving great. And back here, you got the detailing on the exterior, and of course, the hatch, part of the hatchback. So there's plenty of space back here. You can pop those seats down, room for whatever you need for a nice, great mileage as well. And here, I just want to give you a quick look at the rest of the car. You can see it is in great condition. See, not hiding anything on you. It does have, again, it is this light gray-blue color. So just to recap, this is Chad from Northside Mitsubishi, and with me is this 2017 Honda Civic Sport hatchback. Looks absolutely fantastic, great condition. It's on for $26,999. Come check it out. It drives great.